Think Brazilian waxing has to hurt? Think again. These pro-approved tips can completely change your experience, turning pain into power and stress into self-care. Stick around. We're revealing secrets salons don't always share. Welcome to MTH Health, where we break down health, hygiene and body care into simple science-backed solutions. Today, we're diving into the best techniques to make your Brazilian wax nearly pain-free. Yes, it's possible. Let's be real, waxing hurts because we're pulling hair straight from the root. But the good news, pain is highly manageable when you understand what's actually causing it. Factors like skin hydration, hair length, timing in your menstrual cycle, and technique all play a role. Let's get into how to work with your body, not against it. Number 1. Exfoliate 24 hours before your appointment. A gentle scrub removes dead skin and helps the wax grip only the hair, not your skin. Tip 3. Don't wax right before your period. Your skin is more sensitive then. Aim for mid-cycle for less pain. And finally, make sure the hair is about a 1/4 inch long, too short and it won't pull, too long and it hurts more. Choose a high-quality hard wax. It sticks to the hair, not the skin, and reduces irritation. Deep breathing helps too. Inhale right before the pull and exhale during. It actually reduces your body's pain response. And yes, distraction helps. Play music, hold a stress ball or chat with your esthetician. It tricks your brain away from the pain. Aftercare is everything. Apply a soothing aloe gel or a post-wax oil to calm inflammation. Avoid tight clothing, hot showers, and intense workouts for 24 hours to prevent irritation and no touching the area. Hands carry bacteria and can cause breakouts or ingrown hairs. There you have it. Your blueprint for a smoother, less painful Brazilian wax. Want more body care hacks backed by science and simplicity? Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. We drop new videos every week.